with him till morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes, and he has found me. And I know that's only in my mind, that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that he is blind, still I say there's a way for us. I love him, but every day I'm learning. All my life I've only been pretending. Without me, his world will go on turning. A world that's full of happiness that I have ever known. I love him, but only on my own.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Heart. Heart, dito tayo.
Gotta love me,
Kausapin natin ang coach na alam ang kantang yan at malapit sa puso niya ang kantang yan. Coach Lea.
Nung nalaman ko kung anong kakantahin ni Heart, sinabi ko kay Bamboo, I hate you. I hate you so much. But now that it's finished, I love you. I love you so much.
Thank you.
Nagandahan ako na wala kang ginagayang kahit sino sa pagkanta mo ng kantang yan. Very honest. Yung emosyon mo lumalabas.
Maraming salamat, Coach Lea. Ang proud naman, Coach Bamboo.
I felt yung beginning mo, medyo kabado ka. It was a little too clean for me. When pag kumakanta ka, you pour out your soul. Yun ang gusto ko sa'yo eh. We got the blessing, right? So we should be happy. So congratulations.
Great job. We'll see you again later, okay? Maraming salamat.